Hi there. This is part 3 of courses for Almanack. In this video, we'll go over using AI to customize your courses in Almanack. From your home screen, click on Lesson Planning. From there, click on Courses, and then select the course you'd like to edit the units in. From here, you can use our Course Planning Assistant on the right-hand side to edit your courses. I'm going to add a prompt, and I'm going to ask it to add 4 specific units to my course. So now I'm going to go through and look at the lessons, look at the units I've asked it to add. And I'm going to take out the first 3 because I wanted it to add the specific ones I mentioned here: numerical reasoning, pattern analysis and relationships, measurement data and reasoning, and geometric and spatial reasoning. So I'm going to take out place value and number sense, operations with whole numbers and decimals, and fractions and mixed numbers, because they're going to be covered in the units I'm adding now. So now I'm going to select Add Units, and it's going to change my course to include just those 4 units. Okay, now that I've added the 4 units I want in my course, I'm going to add another prompt asking it to add 1 lesson to each unit that reviews prerequisite skills necessary for mastering the concepts in that unit based on the standards. Okay, so it's added all of my prerequisite lessons at the bottom to drag them to the top where I would be teaching them as the first lesson. I just need to click the 6 dots on the left and drag that lesson to the top of my lessons column. Now I want to ask it to do one more thing for each of my units, but I'm only going to show you numerical reasoning for time's sake. I would like it to break down the first lesson in numerical reasoning into 4 separate remediation lessons. So I'm going to ask it to do that. And it's done that for me. I'm going to have it keep problem-solving strategies. Okay, and I'm going to click Update Units now. And now I have my review lessons. I can delete the prerequisite number skills one. And then move up my review lessons to the top, where they would go in my units. And then if I wanted to, I can click Add Date here on the end to add a date for when I'll be teaching this lesson to keep my course organized. That is how to use our Course Planning Assistant AI to customize your units in courses. See you next time. Bye.